just pretty much just the altitude with the throttle and let it land itself.
The stabilization isn't too overwhelming.
No, it lets you fly it, but it doesn't let you go too much to the extreme. Beautiful. Yeah, it's got that spring-loaded front gear.
Yeah.
And that thing will bend all the way back. See
He's
that?
going to do it again.
It doesn't need the full throttle.
No.
Doesn't
Another thing,
need.
Jerry, your nose
And
gear
see,
is
it initially
low.
pitched up, but then it kind of leveled.
That's
It went
because
into a shallow climb.
the nose gear needs to be a little taller because the nose is slightly down and it wants to pitch up.
Then you need more elevator.
Yeah,
and
and
then
then when
once
you get
it
up,
picks up, then
there
it
you go.
tends to,
See, that's what it did.
tends
Yep.
to overreact a little bit.
That's what she said.
Look at that approach.
I'm not really doing anything. I just got it straight down the runway and
Yeah.
chop the throttle.
Yeah, chop the throttle and
Chop the throttle.
That thing lands itself.
Oh, what a baby doll.
I just added some elevator. That was it.
Yeah, that was it.
I mean, there's.
You want to fly, Carlos? I don't think Mark's gonna
You
let
want to make that nose gear a little
I'm videoing.
longer.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Spread the main gear out a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Because you can't do much with the front gear, with the nose gear, because it's
the
a
main
spring.
gear out.
It's a spring, but the main gear, yeah. That was
Looks like a 2-minute pitch.
Oops.
okay, first crash.
That's a wrap.